In this video, I will be silently installing Sumatra PDF. I will also use PSExec to execute the installation as a system account, and that's to make sure that the installation is successful no matter what user I'm using to deploy the software. I'm starting this video from my GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video, and I will leave the URL in the description down below. Also, if you want more information about PSExec, you can check out the video that I have in the bottom of the page. Now I will begin this video by downloading the executable installation files, and for that I will use the link that I have here. That brings me to the Sumatra PDF download page. Then I will click on the installer download link and the download should start. Now I will go to my downloads folder, and here we have our executable installation file. And now I will right click it, select copy, and then I will go to my VMware workstation where I have a Windows virtual machine prepared. And here I have the software folder. I will open it and I will copy the executable into this folder. Also in the same location, I have my PSExec executable. And the next step is to launch a command line, and for that I will go to my start menu, and here I will type cmd and I will run it as administrator and click yes. And now we need to change our location in our command line to the location where we have our files. So for that I will click here and copy the location. Then I will type cd in the command line, paste in the location, press enter. And if I type dir, I can see my executables in my command line. Also, if I'm using the command who am I, it is saying that currently in this command line, the user that is running this command line is the admin user. And to switch that, I will be using PSExec, so I will type PSExec executable name, and then -i for interactive, -s to launch a process under the system user, and then we need to provide the process that we want to start. And to keep it simple, I will start another CMD window, press enter, I will agree with the license terms, and here we have another command line window. But this time if I type who am I, it is saying that this window is running under the anti-authority system user. That means that everything that I'm doing in this command line, I'm doing it as a system user. So once again, we want to change the location in this command line to the location where we have our files. So for that, I will type cd, paste in the location, press enter, type dir, and once again, we can see our executables in this command line. To start the installation, I will go back to my GitHub page, and here I have the silent installation command that I will be using for this video. As you can see, I'm starting the command with cmdc. This is not necessary, but it allows us to see when the installation is done simply by looking at the command line. Then I'm providing the executable file name. Then I'm using a switch s, -s. This makes this installation a silent installation. And then another switch is all users. Basically, this makes this installation a machine-wide installation, and that means that the software will be accessible to all the users on the computer. So I will select the command and I will copy it, go back to VMware Workstation and paste in the command into my command line. Then I will press enter, and now it seems that the installation is done almost instantly. And here we have our desktop icon for Sumatra PDF right here. I will double click on it, and it seems to be working just fine. And that's it for this video. In the future videos, I will show you how to deploy Sumatra PDF using different types of software deployment tools such as group policy and PDQ deploy. So like and subscribe if you want to see that, and see you in the next one.